Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are all fine. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Hope you guys explore different ideas from my videos. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Today we will discuss about the flowers. Hope you guys enjoy my ideas. Please press the bell icon and like my video. Flowers are some of the most beautiful and beloved plants in the world. From the delicate petals of a rose to the bold colors of a sunflower, flowers have long been a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and the gardeners. Hope you guys get different ideas from my video. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. But beyond their beauty, flowers have also played a significant role in human history and the culture. In many ancient civilization, flowers were used for medical purposes as well as for the religious ceremonies and the rituals. Hope you guys enjoy my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. In addition to their cultural significance, flowers are also fascinating from a scientific perspective. They are the reproductive organs of flower, and their primary functions is to produce seeds for the next generation. Hope you guys enjoy my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Flowers are made up of several different parts, including petals, sepals, stamens, and the pistils, which work together to attract pollinators and ensure a successful reproduction. Hope you guys enjoy my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. If you are interested in growing flowers, there are many different types to choose from, and each one has its own specific care requirements. You guys get ideas for this purpose from my video. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Like roses and the lilies, prefer sunny locations with well draining soil, while others, like orchids and the ferns, thrive in more shaded, humid environments. Proper watering, fertilizing, and the pruning techniques can help ensure that your flowers stay healthy and long. Hope you guys get different ideas from my video. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Hope you guys explore different ideas about the flowers that you can grow for your garden and you can use for the decoration purposes. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. There are three primary kinds of the flowers: annuals, perennials, and the biennials. In addition, there is the fourth type of flower that behaves both annual and the perennial like a hybrid. Also, there are two more kinds of the flowers, namely shrub flowers and the tree flowers. you guys get different ideas about the flowers from my video. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Today in my video you can get different ideas about the flowers, that is a kala lily, daisy, gardenia, carnation, gerbera daisy, orchid, tulip, and many more. These beautiful roses attract the visitors and the everyone which visit to your garden. Hope you guys explore different ideas from my video. Please share my YouTube channel with your friends and the family members that they can also explore different ideas. Thank you.